Hi, my name is Rihanna and welcome to my channel. And while you're here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. This hair is from Nadula and it comes in this black box. Now, the box did come messed up, so I'm hoping that it's not messed up on the inside. I haven't opened it yet. Now, this hair did come with some extras. So it came with this box, which has a fashion necklace in it. I can get it open. Okay, so this is what the necklace looks like. It's gold and says Nadula. Let's see what the necklace looks like on me. I don't really think I'd wear the necklace though because it says Nadula on it. But let's see. The quality of the necklace, I mean, it looks good, but you know it's cheap. Yeah, even the clip is a little finicky, but you don't order the hair for the necklaces. Okay. This is what the necklace looks like. To me, it's a little weird. It also came with this little bag, which has 3 items inside. So it comes with an additional like, headband strap. This has a strong smell, almost like acetone or something. And a wig cap with 2 pieces. Oh wow, it came with some fake nails. And lastly, it came with this Nadula bag. So that's cute. You could put your wig in it when you're storing it away or something like that. Alright, let's get to the actual wig. So this is their Bye Bye Knots 7x5 pre-bleached natural looking Yaki Glueless straight wig. And I believe I got the 10-inch. The total came to about $107. Someone else had got this wig on Instagram. I don't know who, but I had liked it and I was like, oh, let me go check it out. So yes, this is a Yaki straight. I don't think I've ever had Yaki straight, which is surprising. It just smells like hair store hair. The way those ends are looking is throwing me off a little bit. Like it's uneven or something. So we'll have to see about that. Getting a little bit of shedding. But so this is what the lace looks like. So it is pre-cut. I kind of wanted to just put on a wig and go, but I feel like I'm going to have to cut this. This is what the lace looks like. It's supposed to be pre-bleached, so it does kind of look like it is, actually. So on the inside of the wig, it looks like this. It does have one comb at the bottom and adjustable straps, but no like band to go around it, which is interesting because I thought it would have that. I wish I had the combs on the side too. I don't know, I'm someone who likes combs in their wigs. So the wig does come with that band or strap I was talking about. When I opened the wig, it fell out and I didn't see it. So I definitely want this. So it'll go on the wig like this. Yeah, I do like these. I'm surprised it didn't come on the actual wig. But yeah, it's detachable, so you can choose to have it in there or not. Oh, and it's also pre-plucked as well. I think that is just this middle part that's pre-plucked. And it says it has a smart 3D memory cap. I don't think I've heard of that one yet. So now I'm just going to straighten the wig using my flat iron on 410 degrees Fahrenheit. So I finished straightening the wig and it's nice and flowy and bouncy. It did shed a little and this is how it looks. So something about this cut that I don't like. It looks choppy a little. And the sides on the front, they're a little thin. Thinner than the middle and the back, which I normally see in wigs, but I don't like that. I wish they would be just as thick, but it's probably because this is like tracks and then this is lace up here. But yeah, it does have that issue. And this is just a close-up of the part. didn't change the part. This is the part that was originally there with the wig. Okay guys, I put my wig cap on and I'm gonna put the wig on now. So it fits snug, but the lace up here is loose. I think I need to adjust it a little bit. So I've adjusted the wig a little, and I really do not like this excess lace. I don't know, I can't get it tight enough, so it's like loose. I'm going to have to cut that off. So yeah, I just cut that excess lace right off, and it looks like this right now. But I am going to glue it down and put some foundation around the lace. So let's start first with the glue. This olive oil super hold wig grip gel, and I just use a little bit. And also I don't keep my wigs on that long, so I don't want to put too much. So just a little bit, and then I usually rub it in between my two fingers. And actually I just put it on like the end, like the edge of the wig. And I do that again here. And just like use my comb and do this. And I also bought this. I saw someone else use this Wonder Lace Bond. Yeah, it says to just spray it and it melts the lace without using glue. Oops. I think I should put it on something and then apply it. Maybe I'll put it on here. So we'll see if that really does anything or not. All right, next, let's go in with this Fit Me foundation, color 360. I'm gonna use this brush. Now I feel like I really didn't need to do this for the part, but I just usually do it. The part looked pretty alright already. Just go around. Just a little. Okay, now I'm gonna create some baby hairs. I'm just gonna clip away the part that I don't need. I mean the hair that I don't wanna cut. Yeah, so we're gonna cut this. And I can just cut it a little bit above my eyebrows. Like that. And I'm gonna use this Style Factor Edge Booster to do my baby hairs. Now, this is their blueberry scent, but really, it doesn't matter which scent it is. I usually just buy whichever one is on sale on Amazon. So just gonna take a little bit of that Edge Booster, do my swivel. So like that. Now, I do little baby hairs to better hide the lace. Right, so that's done. Let me comb it out a little bit. The last thing I'm going to do is use this She Is Bomb hair wax and just put a little bit of that on top where the part is to tame those flyaways. I think I need to get me a little brush for this part, like a different brush. And I'm just going to tie the top of the wig down. So guys, this is the final look of the wig. What do you think? I think it looks nice and clean. The part looks good. It's definitely not too much hair. It might even be good to add some more hair to it, especially right here on the sides. It does have the nice natural look, I guess. I don't know how I feel about it because first of all, I did a middle part. I normally do side parts and it always takes me a little while to get used to another wig. But let's look at the back of it. Pull it down so you can see it. See it? Yeah, the back of the wig is just okay to me. It could probably use some trimming. Just okay. The sides. It's like a little bob. And I feel like the hair did shed a little bit more than normal, especially for it to be so short and already thinnish. I don't think that's too good because it'll make the wig look thinner quicker. The Yaki texture is different for me. I normally don't do that, which I should though because it's closer to my actual hair texture. But yeah, let me know what you thought of this wig and if you'd wear it. Also, let me know what other videos you want to see from me. And I have a lot of links in the description if you want to check those out. I have my Amazon storefront and I just made an LTK. So I'll be trying to post more outfits and stuff on there if you want to check that out. And as always, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time.